Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And today I wanted to kind of shoot a little updated video of Future AdPro. Here is the sales funnel that we're going to be using to promote Future AdPro for you guys out there that's looking for a real reliable funnel that's going to help you take your business to the next level. This sales funnel is really going to help you out because it's going to give everybody in-depth information on exactly what they need to do step by step. So you're not going to be left out with any information left out. There's not going to be any information left out. Yeah, can't talk today. Okay, so what we have to offer over here in the yellow brick road. Okay, now step one is going to be your FutureNet sign up, which means this is where you're going to go to sign up for FutureNet. Okay, you're going to sign up for it. It's free to sign up. You don't have to do anything. Step two is going to show you exactly what you need to do, how to buy your ad packs, how to get involved in everything. And step three is going to be the fern tree. Going to talk about that. Going to show you exactly what you need to do step by step by step. Okay, so you have everything you need to do step by step, automated, 100% automated. You don't have to do anything. You set the sales funnel up, you send the traffic to it, and you're ready to go. Now down here, you have your recruit hub, which means that their recruit hub is going to show everybody how to link all the systems together, your Future AdPro and the sales funnel together as one, so you can have a full-fledged system to be able to promote your business out there. Okay, guys, because you're going to need a sales funnel. I don't care what you're doing, anything online, anything, any kind of business that you're running, doesn't matter. You're going to need a sales funnel. You're going to need that. Okay. And also you have the live hangouts right here. So every week or so, there's going to be a live hangout to go over the business and see the new exciting things that we have to offer to bring people in. You're going to be able to bring your prospects, people that been wanting to know about the business. You're going to be able to bring them to this live hangout. And once they come to this live hangout, they're going to kind of see what the business is about. So if you're not good at talking and you're not good at selling, then this is going to help you out, because we're going to help get people to join your team, not us. We're here to help grow the whole community. You see what I'm saying? Because the more people that comes in to the company, it is going to help everybody out. So it's not just me having to say, hey, come over here and join me, and I'm going to make all the money, whatever. No, it's not that case. I want you to be able to bring your prospects over to this business, and so they can see exactly what's going on. And we're going to help do all the selling and telling for you, so that way you don't have to talk to anybody about it. But I highly recommend that you go in and you make sure that you check the whole back office, go through everything in Future AdPro. Okay, guys, and make sure you know exactly what you're talking about when you get out there to start talking to people about the business. Because the one thing that you will do, and it will mess your business up, if you get into a business and you know absolutely nothing that's going on with the business, but you're trying to talk about it, people are not going to buy into you, because they're going to say, well, why would I join you in a business and you can't even give me all the details? You don't even know what you're doing. You've only talked about one component of the business. How does the whole thing work? You see what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, people don't join businesses. They join people. That's the bottom line. Because if you're not comfortable enough to go out there and talk about the business and be energetic and be, and be excited to do what you have to do to get people to get in front of your offer, then you're going to fail. Because, you can't just go out there and say, hey guys, here goes here's my link. Hey, come join me. Come do this. If you're doing that type of stuff, people are going to look at your video and they're going to laugh. They're going to say, what is this? They're not going to even give you the time of day on what you have going on in your business, or let alone even listen to what you have going on. Okay. Now you have to get out here and you have to grind. So anything that you do, any business that I promote, there's nothing out here that's going to be easy. I'm sorry, but there's nothing out here that's going to be easy, especially if you want to run a business online. There's nothing out here that's going to be easy. And I repeated that 3 times because I want people to understand. People go out and they join all these other different businesses and they get mad when they don't make any money. They get frustrated and then they quit and they say, oh, that company is a scam. That company's not making any money and I don't know. And I'm doing everything they're telling me to do. But the thing is that a lot of you are not doing everything that we tell you to do to promote your business. Because if you was doing everything that we were telling you to do step by step, then eventually you're going to start making money. You're not going to make money overnight. Of course, you're not going to make money overnight, but in some cases, there are people that's jumped in and made money overnight. It's happened. You see what I'm saying? But the likelihood of that is slim to none, but it's not impossible. So if you're not going to come put in the work and you're not going to grind and you're not going to, you're not going to put your boots in the sand and say, look, this is what I want to do. This is how I want to change my life. This is how I want to be able to do more stuff at home, do more stuff with the kids, take more vacation, whatever the case it is that you want to do, then you have to put in the work. You have to stop worrying about what everybody else is doing and start focusing on you and start focusing on the things that you want to do to help you build your business. Because what happens is people get caught up in everyday life. They get caught up in life. And life is hard. It's hard to shake because you go to a 9-to-5 job every day. You're working. So when you're working, you're accustomed to that. You're accustomed to that way of living. Now, I'm not going to knock anybody who has a 9-to-5 job. Hey, everybody's got to pay their bills. Everybody's got to live. You got to have some source of income coming in. But I could put it like this. I can bet you 80% of the people out there in the world hate their job, hate waking up and going to work every day. I can't tell you that. I could tell you right now, 80% of the people in the world hate waking up and going to their job every day and slaving for somebody else and making everybody else's dreams come true. I know it. But then the other 20% of the people out there want to change their life and want to do something different. And then, of course, you have the 1% of the people that's doing it, that are making millions and millions and billions of dollars. Okay? So now, if you don't take the time to just to get out here and start motivating yourself to try to grow a business or start doing something, you're going to be stuck in the same situation you're stuck in. You know, I'm not telling nobody to quit their job and start the online business. I'm not telling nobody to do that, and I would never tell anybody to do that. But at the end of the day, we have provided you something so simple in order for you to make money so easy, and you don't have to recruit anybody. This is a no-brainer. I'm not understanding why people are not running to this program, okay? Especially, there's a lot of people out there that have business that are promoting, and they're jumping in all of these other businesses, okay? And they're not making any money. But then you have a business right here that's going to be able to show you money instantly as soon as you get started. You don't have to wait till 3 days from now, a week from now, 5 weeks from now. You're going to start seeing money as soon as you get the system rolling. Okay? Now, it depends on how much time you're going to put into the business. It's going to depend on how much grind you're going to put in the business, or you're going to be like everybody else and talk a big game but not do any action. You know, it's sad that there's so many people out there that want to change their life, that want to do something, but we're giving you the opportunity to show you that, you know, to show you a system or show you the right information to help you grow a business, to kind of help you bring some extra money into the house. I mean, an extra $200 or $300, you know, a week or a month or whatever. That's extra money that's coming in the house that you can use to pay off something, or have that money to pay your car note. And you can take that extra $300 that you get on your paycheck to put in your account and save that money. You see what I'm saying? My ideal thing is to get people debt free. That is my ideal vision. I want people to get debt free so that way they can start seeing the benefits of all the hard work that they put in. Now, this business is simple to be able to get started. It's simple to start seeing income. And all you have to do is 10 minutes a day, and that's absolutely it, and you're done. And we're going to give you everything. It's going to be right here laid out in the yellow brick road system. It's going to be laid out for you from top to bottom. Okay? From top to bottom. This right here, once you get inside and you see the power of it, and you're going to see the potential, you're going to see the money that people are making. There are people making millions of dollars a month. Oh, not a year, not 2 years, not 3 years. They're making $1 million a month. Do you not know what $1 million a month can do for anybody? That's $12 million a year. Come on, guys. Come on, man. And I'm not saying that I'm there, because I'm not. But hey, I got a goal to look towards to. I got a goal to look forward to. I do. Now I have a goal. I got a goal. Hey, I wanna be that guy to make $1 million a month. I wanna be that guy. But hey, if I don't get to that $1 million a month, that's fine too. My main goal is to get to my personal goals that I've set for myself. And once I get to those personal goals, then I can think about going to the bigger goals. And that's what you have to do. Set your small goals first, and then start building on your small goals. And then you got your medium, and then you got your high, and then you got your unrealistic goal, the one that you think that you will never hit. And then you start striving for that goal. Guys, you got to take the blinders off. You got to take the blinders off. You have to go in and check out and see how powerful this business is. Okay? If you want to join, hey, it's up to you. You can join. You can get in. We can show you exactly step by step what you want to do. If you don't want to join, hey, that's fine too. I look forward to doing business with you at a later date. Now may not be the best time for you to get involved with anything. Okay? Now, we're gonna go over here, and I'm gonna show you some income proof right now. If my computer would go ahead and load up. It's been acting kind of funny with me today. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. Computer's running a little slow there. Okay, now, I haven't even been with this company long. Haven't been with them long at all. And I've already made $5,269.33. And I did nothing. I did no recruiting. I did nothing. I haven't even sent this opportunity to my list yet. Do you see the power in that? $5,269. Do you see the power in that? And I've done nothing. And you don't even have to recruit if you don't want to get the same results. Okay? You do not have to recruit anybody to get the same results. But if you want to recruiting will help you build your income a whole lot faster. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to leave all the information in the description below this video. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to come down there, you need to click on that link, and you definitely need to check out what I had to offer today. I'm telling you. And once you get inside, you're going to see the power of it. You're going to see all the income proofs. You're going to see how other people, not just me, you're going to see how other people are crushing this business. Okay? Now, do me a favor and please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that way you can get all the notifications when I put out new videos, because I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos about future AdPro. Most definitely. I'm going to do update videos, show you guys where I'm at. I'm going to be showing trainings on traffic, on what I'm doing in my business to help grow my business. I'm going to be doing all of those things. So you're going to want to make sure that you're following or you're subscribed to my channel. Hey, also hit that like button. I'm also going to leave my Facebook information in the description. Hey, connect with me on Facebook there, guys. And I would love to see and hear from you. If you have any questions, comment below the video. Once again, this is Dominic Daniels from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group, guys. And I will see y'all guys in the next video. Peace out.